be free. I was born to be free.
Top, let's do a let's get a volume check. Let's do what we do, guys. Top of the mother morning to you guys. Happy Friday. Happy Thanksgiving to my Americanos yesterday. And happy Black Friday to all. How are we feeling today, guys? How are we doing? Man, listen. We're gonna chat. We have to talk, man. We gotta talk. But listen, I haven't streamed in like 2 days, maybe even 3, because you know, holidays and stuff. Not that I'm on holiday. I'm Canadian, but man, I missed y'all. I gotta say, good morning, guys. Let's see who's in chat. Aeropomp. Good morning, Carl Carlson. Welcome, my brother Steven Stewart. Bring it. I'm bringing it, brother. Good morning, XL Baller. What's up, G? How you doing? Rewatch Rian Vlogs. I told you guys many times, go check out his or their or her or whatever's vlog. Go check him out. Rendell, good morning. Rendell says, guys, there's 36 people in here and only 10 likes. Listen, man, I didn't say it. He said it. Good morning, Rendell. How are you, sir? A Wild, a Wheels. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, bro. Good morning. Mario, good morning. Uniswan, what's up, man? How you doing? Monkeys in the chat saying die, bulls, die. We're gonna talk about it, man. I've wanted the Bulls to die for a long time, but we're gonna talk about it. Welcome back. Thank you, man. Thank you, guys. Andrew says high five. Boom. You already know. You already know how it is, man. High five, Andrew. I love that. Jeff, what's up, brother? Jacob, good morning. Guys, listen, man. Listen. We gotta have a conversation, all right? Listen. For the first time, for the very first time, seemingly, in a long time, Bitcoin has done what you would imagine or what you would consider as of late as impossible. Okay, music's loud. Okay, how are we now? Are we good now? Let's get a sound check now. I'm gonna keep talking. Bitcoin has done what is seemingly impossible for Bitcoin to do as of right now. Okay? Is the music better? Samuel, what's up, brother? Good morning. Good afternoon, Keys Bosch. What's up, brother? How are you? Igor's in the chat. What's up, my boy? How are you? Good morning. Michael, greetings to you, sir. What are my thoughts on Solana? Lisa says. We could talk about Solana. Let's start with BTCZ and figure out what the heck is going on here. Once I get the go-ahead with the sound check, then we can go. Music's much better. Beautiful. Okay. Guys, I want to start the show. First of all, let me get my TA shades on, all right? Because we mean business today. We mean business today, all right? We mean business. Listen. Daily bias is bearish. Okay. Bitcoin, let me just start with this, okay? Bitcoin has done seemingly the impossible. Okay? For the first time in a very long time, Bitcoin has swept liquidity. Okay? Now, I want to say this. Let's start on the daily time frame. We're going to start on the daily. Let's hide this mumbo jumbo. We have a nice clean chart. Let's hide everything. Let's hide it all. Hide it all. What is this line? I don't even know why I drew this line. We don't need it. Goodbye line. We don't need this. Okay. Nice clean chart. What I mean by for the first time in a long time, Bitcoin has swept liquidity. There's truth and there's false behind that. Okay? There's truth and false behind it. Truth, it has swept liquidity. Right? We can see very clearly we have a nice SFP here. Is the SFP going to play out? I do not know. As of right now, it is an SFP. And in 9 hours, which is a very long time, I'm aware. But in 9 hours, this will be a confirmed daily SFP. Do we need to wait for the daily to close? No. But obviously, it's stronger when the daily candle closes at a daily level and gives you a nice SFP. And don't worry, we're going to jump down on the lower time frames. No worries at all. But, of course, it is stronger. Now, look at how for the last 30 days, okay, for the last 30 days, Bitcoin has not really swept any liquidity. Okay, hasn't really swept any liquidity. This wick, yes, fine. You could say that we swept one candle, okay? Barely. We barely swept it. It was by $40, right? Even up until this point where we haven't swept any liquidity, give or take, it was 2 weeks, okay? So we have not swept any liquidity for at least 2 weeks prior to this, like, whatever you want to consider, you know, a liquidation grab. And we happen to bounce right off of the value area high of the range. Fine, right? No problem. Or point of control of the range. I don't remember which one it was. No problem. Now, clearly, there's no doubt here that in the past, we have swept liquidity, right? This was an SFP. This was an SFP as well. At one point, we did not close the candle above its previous high. Let's look here as well. From this candle to this candle, technically, this is not a close. So this was a confirmed daily SFP. From this level to this level, this was a confirmed daily SFP. All right. So why am I bringing this to your attention? Two reasons. Number one, if you take a look, right, and it's obviously easier in hindsight, but if you take a look at these SFP levels, you can see that the same day that we printed the SFP, or we came above the price, on the same day, we didn't actually close above it. How much further up did it go is a different story, but let's look at the trend, right? This SFP is by literally like $20. This SFP is by literally $100, give or take, right? And our current SFP, so we'll actually, yeah, our current SFP that's still pending right now is by, give or take, $100, okay? So it is, first of all, it wouldn't be based on the trend itself, right? Based on the trend, it wouldn't be out of the ordinary for this to have been the high of the day or the week, because it's Friday. And now we get some sort of an SFP just based on trend alone. Okay? Now, do the SFPs ever play out? Well, the following day, it depends, right? Like the following day, we pumped again, we broke the high on this one. Same thing with this one. We SFP'd it, came back down, perhaps made everyone believe, oh, we confirmed the daily SFP and continued to move to the downside before once again pumping to the upside. Same story here, right? So it's just important to be aware, okay? It's important to be aware that Bitcoin has lately not really grabbing as much liquidity as I would prefer, but it's important to note this as a trend, okay? And so if the trend is going to continue in this regard, it could do something like this, where today, for the rest of the day, is going to be a down candle. Perhaps we close somewhere around the naked daily point of control of this candle here, which we have not tested. So perhaps we come and we make our way back down to 37 or whatever it is. And then maybe the pump continues. I don't know, but I just wanted to make you guys aware of this SFP trend. Now, the daily time frame, guys, looks bullish AF, okay? There is nothing, not one thing is bearish about this daily time frame. There was once upon a time where things were looking a little bit more bearish, but as of right now, as it stands, I have to be honest, you cannot deny we live in reality. Money flow's coming up, the waves are curving up, the VWAP is pointing up, everything is looking good for market Cipher B, which is kind of unfortunate because, again, we haven't swept liquidity, and the longer we don't sweep liquidity, the harder we will fall when we do decide to sweep liquidity. I'm anticipating it. My entire Discord is anticipating it. So shouts out to the Discord shouts out to the Discord. But this is our current situation right now in terms of our SFP trend and our liquidity trend. What's going to happen for the rest of the day? I do not know. But we are absolutely going to talk about it. All right, let's check chat real quick. See what you guys are saying. Okay, so yeah, so Brenner said daily bias on the daily bias is bearish. On the daily, bro, I disagree, man. I disagree, truly. And it hurts me that I have to disagree. But I do disagree. Because it's not really that bearish, man. Really not. All right. Glenn says, sorry he's late. Yeah, man, that's all good, bro. You're barely even late. It's confirmed on a few hourlies. Yeah, we'll go back to that. Would I recommend JC's courses you were looking to take but weren't sure? He be talking wild and you don't understand him. King D, I'll tell you this, bro. I'll tell you this. And like, look, everybody learns differently, and everybody like will retain information based on their own I guess teacher, like, differently. So if you're saying you don't understand him, then I would say probably it's not a good idea to take his course, because then what would you get out of it, right? But if you, for example, the next comment after that was Brenner saying you wouldn't recommend Jay's course, you'd rather stick with mine. I have boot camps. And people say that, you know, they've learned so much and they can understand me and all that, but that's like, everyone's different, right? You might learn better with Jay, you might learn better with me. I'll tell you this, I can recommend his course, but can I recommend his style of teaching? For me, I retain the information. For you, you may not. So, you know what I'm saying? You know, like, it's really your call. It's really your call. Depending on, you wouldn't regret it, I don't think, if you could retain it, but do you resonate with his way of teaching? That's a different story. All right, Brenner says if I were you, I would report every Jay video as spam and unsubscribe to him. Man, no, he's a good dude. He's a good dude. Jay is legit, as is Gio. Jay is legit, man. Yeah, I did learn from Jay. I learned from Jay. I learned from Tino. I'm like a hybrid of the two. I'm a hybrid of the two. All right, shouts out to Alpha Spark. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, Nikhil. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. Shorting it from 377. Short team 1 hour money flow. All right, let's talk about the 1 hour. Please don't post anything about reporting other people's videos and subscribing, especially when they're reporting. Yeah, don't report him. Don't report him. If you guys don't like him, you guys, I mean, you're welcome to be here. Obviously, you're welcome to kick it with me, but you know, we don't want any bad on anybody. All right, let's talk about the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so 1 hour, very clearly, you know, we're in a range. We're just playing our range, right? I have my local range TA here. Look at these, man. We got these SFPs that we haven't grabbed for so long. We officially just grabbed both of these, which we were kind of expecting, I have to say. In the Discord, I told you guys that I closed my longs because I thought potentially we could have came down and swept these lows as well, which we did. When I closed my longs, it was around 37.4, 37.3, and then we ended up coming down to like 30. Wait, that's not right. No, we were up here. It was around 37.3, and then we came down to like 36.8. I did not long it. That is completely okay. I did not long it. But, you know, you can't say we were surprised to come up here because, you know, we do have the liquidity, right? But just as we have the liquidity and just as we grab that liquidity now, we may have the liquidity above or below us that we might come to. Now, when it comes to liquidity, which I talk about a lot, okay? You gotta be aware of this. Market structure, I'm gonna come to the 2 hours so more candles can like fit nicely. Market structure triumphs liquidity, okay? So just like how we have our order of operations from Market Cipher B, if you don't know what I'm talking about, then I'm making a video on that today, and actually this time. Right? So just as we have our order of operations for Market Cipher B, we have our order of operations when it comes to market structure. Okay? The way that it works is it goes market structure first. Let me get the text. All right, so it goes market structure first, structure, and then it goes order blocks, and then it goes liquidity. What does this mean? This means that if we're in an uptrend, boom, 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 right? And there's liquidity here, we have to prioritize market structure first. Meaning, before we start targeting these lows, we have to say price is more likely, like we're following market structure. If we break this low, and I mean break it, not SFP it, but if we break this low, then we're prioritizing liquidity first. So what do? We prioritize market structure, assuming that we're going to put in a higher high. And where do we put in the higher highs? Potentially at our order blocks, wherever they may be. If you don't know how order blocks work, I have a boot camp on them. So make sure to DM myself or one of my moderators in the Discord, and they will explain it to you. Potentially we get into our order block, but we prioritize market structure, then we look for the order blocks, and then the liquidity. Once market structure has flipped bearish, that is when we can start to pay attention to liquidity more so than right now. Okay, so we got to be really paying attention to market structure. As we know, In the long term, market structure we haven't taken any liquidity. Market structure is extremely bullish. But for how long? For how long? Because yes, we could get to 40K, and I'm not saying we're not going to. But market Cipher B, this entire move up is not looking too good for that, man. It's not looking too good. We have money flow diverging this entire way down, entire way up. And this is money flow on the 4 hour, guys. This is heavy money flow. Okay, so it's not like a, 15-minute money flow. 4 hour money flow is no joke. I honest to God thought that this last wick we had, or this last attempt at the high, was going to take the high, and then we were going to come down to like 30K. I really thought that. But we got to know that, man, however high it goes, guys, nothing can go up forever. You think that this liquidity is not going to be taken eventually? Think again. Okay, think again. It will be. All right, let's read the comments. What are we talking about? How do you get in your boot camp? Costa says, how do we get in the boot camp? You DM either me or the mods in the Discord and say you want some information. They will be able to help you, or I will be able to help you. The mods are up here in case you do not know. Either DM them or myself, and we can chat about boot camps. Guys, you don't know who Jay is? Can someone tell me his YouTube name? Yeah, his name is Jason Casper. White Phoenix and JC's course is a beast. Yeah, I also, so his market structure concepts and liquidity, I've taken that course as well. White Phoenix is the only asset that Jay has. The day he leaves, the better it will be for Phoenix. Well, I mean, thank you, Brenner. I appreciate the compliment. I started watching you from 2 days, learned everything. It was amazing. Money flow is king. Can I do a long-term 12-hour, 6-hour week money flow? Yeah, let's go over money flow. So 4 hour, right? Money flow is king, guys. I always teach you guys to follow the money. All right, that's from Tino. Money flow is diverging, guys. No question at all. So yes, the daily time frame looks bullish, right? But we don't have that much like information on the daily time frame. It's a whole daily candle. And yes, it does look bullish. I'm not disputing that, right? But 12 hour, money's coming out. 6 hour, money's coming out. 4 hour, money's coming out. Okay? So yes, we could go higher, but the higher we go, the more divergences we have, is what I mean. And everybody is bullish right now. Everybody and their mother is super bullish. And so, again, like, guys, look, I'm not saying that Bitcoin's going to go back to 20K. Okay? But this looks, it's very overextended. We haven't grabbed any liquidity to the downside. This can't happen forever. And the quicker you realize that, the quicker you will save your money, because when it rains, it pours. And even in a bull market, which I don't believe we're in, right? Bitcoin can go all the way to like 55K, and I will still not believe that we're in a bull market. I'm not a perma bear, but based on historic data, we're not in a bull market yet. So even in a bull market, we have minus 20% days. So what makes you think we can't, out of seemingly nowhere, rip it down 20%? 30K. Down here even, we haven't taken any of this liquidity either. So what makes you think that we can't get, not in one day, but in a week, a minus 40% week? Don't think we can't get that, because we can. As fast as we came up, we can come down. So don't get it twisted. All right, guys, listen, there are 83 people in here and 39 likes. So either you don't like my face, which I hope isn't the case. You don't like money, which I definitely hope isn't the case. Or you don't have fingers or hands or a nose to touch your screen. One of the three. It has to be one of the three. There's no other option. So guys, please do me a favor. Like the stream if you're here, because every day I come and I bring y'all the flavor. I build a narrative for you guys, so you guys don't have to. And I teach you why the market moves the way that it does, not just, how it is. Okay. K-Pax is out. White Phoenix will leave. Let a sinking ship fall. Hey, Brenner, I don't know the beef you got with them, but I don't know what's going on with K-Pax. All right. Yeah, man, smash it, guys. Smash the likes for me, please, and thank you. Which, by the way, I gotta say, couple of announcements. Okay, couple announcements. Number one, the $100 to $1,000 challenge is going to happen. Okay, we're gonna do it. I don't know when we're gonna do it, but we're gonna do it. Holidays is kind of a busy time, so perhaps in the new year. I don't know yet. However, I can tell you something for damn sure. In order for you to enter the $100 to $1,000 challenge, you are going to need to sign up to my Mexi account. I think that's fair. If I'm doing a free session or sessions on Discord where we're trading together and I'm telling you exactly where we enter and we all move $100 into 1,000, I think this is fair. So what a perfect time to say, guys, if you need an exchange to trade on, which you will to enter the challenge, make sure you sign up with my affiliate link with Mexseed. Is the best exchange in the game. Cheapest on fees across the board. 0.02% taker fee, 0% maker fee. If you don't know what that means, you shouldn't be trading. But I mean, come on, guys. I teach you guys the sauce, so you should know what it means by now. So make sure you join. Make sure you sign up to my affiliate link. And of course, as always, I appreciate everybody that helps support me. This is a free way to support me, and I appreciate every single one of you. Second announcement is I'm gonna do a giveaway for all 3 of my boot camps. I know. I'm gonna do a giveaway for all 3. And it's gonna be a good time. Okay? It's gonna be a good time. How are you gonna join it? Now, I'm not like other YouTubers. I don't want to call myself a YouTuber, but I'm not like them. I want to do fun stuff. Okay? So this is how I decided I think I'm going to play it. All right? Because I want it to be fun. This is what we're going to do. How many accounts are possible on Mexi? Unlimited, bro. Okay. All right. We're going to dive into shorter term time frames here. And let's see if we can get a couple scalps on stream today. But before we do that, let's talk about this giveaway that I'm going to do. I don't know how. Yeah, you don't need to sign up again. All you need is to have signed up to my link. And I will check. Okay. So listen, but that's going to be the new year. Listen, my bootcamp giveaway. Perhaps I'll make it a holiday thing because I kind of missed Black Friday, but I'm Canadian. Anyways, whatever. I'm rambling. Doesn't matter. Listen. This is how I'm going to do it. I don't know. I thought of this idea. This is how we're going to do it. When I tell you, I'm going to get you all to comment on one of my recent videos. Actually, on my next stream, on Monday's stream, I'm going to post a video today. And I'm going to get you all to comment on that video today. And then on Monday's stream, I'm going to do a random comment picker, whatever, for 3 people. Okay? Then, those 3 people in front of the whole Discord, I don't know how I thought of this. You're going to have to show your faces. I'm sorry, guys. It is what it is. I show my face every day. You're going to have to. So we're going to have, like, a competition between those 3 people. And we're going to take 6 of the what are those square crackers called? Square cracker, like, soup. The one for the soup. What is that called? This one. What's the brand of this? What is this thing called? This premium whatever. Anyways, you're gonna take 6 of them, and whoever eats and finishes all 6 without water gets my boot camp. That's gonna be the game. Completely untrading related, but that's what we're gonna do. Gets all 3, and each one's $100. So that's $300 US that I'm giving you basically for eating 6 crackers. But you're in competition with each other, baby. All right. Let's talk BTC, man. Let's talk BTC. Will I live stream the trades? I will in the Discord. Gio, check out BTC Czar. I gotta focus on BTC right now. Crypto Fiber says what? Saltine. Yeah. That's what it's gonna be. We're doing that. Non-negotiable. Sorry. That's what we're gonna do. It's gonna be fun, man. It's gonna be fun. All right, let's see if we can identify a range. Let's see if we can find some trades right now. We're in the long-term range. We already know that. We're kind of putting in a little baby range right here. Okay. So let's draw out our range, right? We got a little range here. Let's make it have a background, so we can see it nice and clear. Highly suggest Geo's bootcamp. Thank you, Brenner. Listen to him. Sweet, you're poor, so you out practice. Listen, yeah, no water, okay? You're gonna have 6 crackers. 6 of them. You can eat them however you like. 1 at a time, 2 at a time, all 6 at once. Whoever finishes all 6 first without water, and you have to show the whole Discord, you get it. You get it. You're a carnivore. All right. Let's see here. Let's come down. Let's see if we can find some trades. We're obviously forming a little range here, right? We're obviously forming a little range. Oh man. Oh, why do I always do that? Actually, let's do it from here. Let's consider it from the high. Nah. We'll do it from here. I don't think it really matters. Okay, this little mini local range that we're in right now, we are currently bouncing, or rejecting, sorry, not bouncing. Rejecting off of the value area high. As we know, guys, we have the divergences. When we came up to grab that SFP, I did short from up here, by the way. I am short on Bitcoin. I forgot to mention that. Yeah, I am short on Bitcoin. And when we came up here, we saw the divergences, right? We had a nice green vector candle. This was early for me, man. This was like 6 a.m. But when there's a trade at hand, as there is here, oh, baby, I almost... Like, I obviously, I can't sleep, man. I can't sleep when that happens. I cannot sleep when that happens. And actually, we did get a short signal when we came up to this value area high. So if I wasn't busy talking about crackers and whatever else, we would have absolutely been able to take that short together. But that's okay. That is okay. Guys, how was your Thanksgiving? Was it nice? Was it flavorful? Do you guys put the cranberries on your turkey? Because I always thought that was weird. Personally, sorry if you're offended by that. We were born to shine. All right, let me check chat. You said something? Wait, did I miss your comment? Oh, are we breaking this or not? Look, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna be honest. There is very much so a possibility that we continue higher. Okay, very much so. I think right now it's a little bit too early to tell. I will say this. This money flow currently is on the rise, right? Like the 1 hour objectively does not look bearish. So you could say, all right, we're probably going to continue breaking out, right? If we had this, but we didn't, like we swept any liquidity, then I would say, yeah, man, we're going to continue breaking out. But as long as we don't sweep liquidity, like I still have to play it a little bit more safe. Yes, we could break out. Yes, we could go to 40K. But especially if you're swing trading, now is not the time for it, right? Obviously, we can take scalps till we're blue in the face. But right now is not the time to be swing longing. That is for damn sure. 1 hour looks bullish. 45 looks bullish. 30 looks bullish as well. 30 looks like it could give us a bang bang. If you know, you know. 30 looks like it could do something like this. Come up a little bit more wherever the high is, right? And do something like this. It could absolutely do that. So we need to play whatever positions we take now through the lens of like, this could happen, right? This could happen. Right now, aside from money flow diverging, which Bitcoin this entire move up has been saying, screw you divs, I don't care about you. Aside from that, everything else looks bullish. And so the best thing in my opinion to do here is to just play this little mini range, guys. You know, you can get in trades anywhere. Just find a range, analyze the range as I've taught you, and play the range. When you're at the high of the range, expect a pullback. Look for shorts. And when you're at the low of the range, look for longs. And your range can be any size, right? Any size at all. Guys, listen, you already... Oh, super chats are off because I'm not monetized yet. I was, and then they took it away from me because of some internal stuff that wasn't my fault. And I should be monetized again by the end of the month. How many hours do I extend the Brinks box? I extend it from... so it's from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. EST. I make it from like 8 or like 7. I extended it like an hour and a half each way, basically. Oh, with turkey, we got steak. Guys, listen, I'm sorry. It is what it is. Okay, it is what it is. I have to be right back in like 5 minutes. You guys know what time it is. I don't make the rules. I'll be right back, guys. Hit the like button. Listen, when I come back, I want to see 100. Which emoji should we get you guys to do? Any emoji you want. I want to see 100 emojis. So 10 of you can make 10 emojis. 100. One of you can put 100 emojis. I want to see 10 random emojis. And I'll be back in 5 minutes, guys. Be right back. Can't leave for 2 seconds, man. Okay, we just SFP'd again. Let's come in. Let's come back down. Let's go in. I can't believe that just happened. All right. Looks like we got time. We got time still. Let's see if we can hit this short together, guys. Literally can't leave for 2 seconds, bro. My days. Okay. All right. So we just SFP'd again, guys. I'll check the comments in a sec. We're not SFP'd again, but we just took the high again. So we are at the yearly high once again. This range is mumbo jumbo now. All right, let's see what's going on. Let's come check the 5-second time frame. Okay, 5 second, we are getting the divs. Money flow is still thick. I want to see money flow start to come down. The 1 minute time frame is pretty topped out, so we could get somewhat of a rejection from here. We will see when we see. The 2 minute looks good for shorts as well. 3 minute is looking excellent for shorts. This could be the high, guys. This could be the high, but I want to see money flow get a little bit thinner. What I want to see right now is money flow starting to come down. Get another wave of absolutely no reason to pumpness, and then that will be considered the high. But the 1 minute is a significant wave, which I will talk about in one of my next videos. So this could be close, right? We could be close to the high, not in terms of price. We could be close to the high in terms of time. Okay, because we all know this could just pump to 40K in literally 1 second. I don't know, right? But it is possible. Is definitely possible that we do that. I will check your comments, guys, in just a second, because things are moving, and I'm going to teach you, not teach you, but I'm going to explain to you guys how it is that I think in real time when we see price like this. Okay, I'm basically showing you how I enter, not how I enter, but like how I think when I enter. All right, let's see. I don't have your comments up. I have my exchange up because I'm ready to press the button when I see what I want to see. See if I can have both in a way that I could see both of you guys. Both chat. No, I don't have time for that right now. Okay. Let's see what we see here, man. Let us see what we see. Let's see what we see. All right, money flow is still super thick on the 5. Let's check the 1. 1 is topped out, but money is still coming up as well. So ideally, what we would want to see is a little bit of a pullback from here. Right, we want to see a little pullback. This is what I'm looking for. We're getting the divs. The 5 second is giving us the divs, but money is still in. We don't want the money to be in. We want the money flow diverging, but we want the money flow to diverge over time, which means we want a couple waves to come down. We want money to start exiting. Then we want money to come up. Again, let me show you what we're looking for. Let me show you. Basically this, right? This is what we're looking for. Essentially exactly, if this money flow wave was lower, right? Let's say it didn't go this high. It only came to like here, like a little baby wave. But we had this seemingly like out of nowhere pump happen. And that's what we're looking for. Money flow diverging over time. So now this is exactly what we're waiting for. We're waiting for money flow to do this. We want money flow to do this. What are these lines? So I don't have lines here. We're waiting for this, right? So in a few, it could be like 10 minutes or so. I don't know, right? That's what we're going to wait for. We're going to wait to see price come down. Then hopefully price come up one more time. Money flow come out. Money flow come in. Not go higher than this. So we have money flow divergences. And then continue to move down. That's what we're waiting for. So let's see. And while we are waiting for that, I'm going to check the chat. I'm going to check the chat for you. For my friendos. Okay. Let's see if we get it. Let us see if we get it. My longs are doing pretty well. I did close most of my longs a little while back, but longs are doing pretty well for sure. For sure. Longs are doing well. All right, let's see what happens here. So we just came up and we just recovered the pink vector candle. Let's see if we're going to continue our way down. We are on the 5 second time frame. So that is, you know, take that with a grain of salt. Money flow on the 1 is strong, baby, is strong. So that gives us good confidence that we're going to have the retracement as we want, because this is a significant candle. As we know, it is a significant candle. Get a little bit of a retracement, however far deep, and then we're going to keep our eye on the 5. 5 is doing exactly what we want to see right now for our potential divergence, potential even swing short, right? This could be an SFP. We need to play it with the context that this could be an SFP level, meaning that this could be the yearly high, guys. This could be it. I don't know, right? But we need to play it with that mindset. We have to play it with that mindset. We need to know. And as many times as we keep SFPing, yes, we could come up, but eventually, guys, what goes up must come down. So we'll see what happens here. We're going to see what happens. That could have been the high. That could have been it. We did get the divs, but I don't know. I'm not really convinced. The 2-minute is giving us good divergence signs. The 5-minute is giving us amazing divergence signs, along with the golden nugget, along with the liquidity below us, and along with the vector candles, indicating that we may come down to recover those vector candles. Not saying it is, not saying now is the time to short, but I'm just saying, right? The 10-minute is giving us potentially a third wave of divergences. And if you guys took my boot camp, you know I like to see 3 waves. I like to see 1, 2, 3. This could be the third wave. And locally, very locally on the 10-minute time frame, it is giving us a golden nugget, right? It is giving us the golden nugget that we want to see. If you don't know what the golden nugget is, make sure you stick around. I'm going to be making a video on it, but it's a market Cipher B signal that I invented. And it's pretty solid. All right, let's come back to the 1. So the 1 is giving us what may be considered, like I said, our other divergence, right? So we built this narrative that, all right, the 5 gave us the thick money flow. Now we want money flow to come back in, not get higher than this money flow, take the high, and then that could be it, because we're getting significant money flow divergences over time. So that could be it. I don't know. Let's see if we can hit this together, guys. I cannot see the chat right now. I'm focusing on potentially hitting this trade, so you know, we're gonna have to wait and see what happens. I apologize, but this is how I trade, guys. This is how I think in real time on what I'm expecting. You know what I'm saying? So let's see what we see here. Are we gonna take the high? That is the question, guys. That is the question. We are primed for our divergences, so we know we're looking for shorts. Definitely no longs. Where's our zones? Where can we even come to? I don't even know realistically where we can even come to, because this is like new yearly highs. Bitcoin can, if it wants, pump $1,000 in 1 second if it wants to. I don't know. Da 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 dee da 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 da. Okay, let's come back down. Let's see what's going on. What are you doing, BTCZ? Show me your move. Show me your move, sir. Big boy BTCZ. Let's see our move. Come on, Bitcoin. Let me see it. I still can't see the chat, guys. I'm sorry. I will check it as soon as I can. Let me see if I can move you guys so that I can see you. Okay, I'm gonna move you guys so I can have all my screens up at the same time. All right, where's my chat? Pop out chat. Pop out chat. All right. Okay, I'm gonna try my best to keep up, but I want to see. Oh, I didn't even check the emojis. How's the 5 second treating me? I like it, man. I'm liking it, honestly. I'm liking it. All right, let's see. You're schlong just in case. Me too, man. Me too. Well, I'm not short. I'm trying to get short. He left right when it rips. Yeah. Yo, crypto is dead. Maybe.
But this time I'll let you be. 'Cause he seems like he's good for
5 second coming down. Am I marketing or limiting? I'm probably gonna mark it in.
like you should.
Actually, not probably. I'm definitely gonna mark it in. Where is the VO? Okay, you guys are not even talking, which is even better, because it's not that I don't love you, but oh man, it's also party time, baby. All right, let's see. Let's see. Okay, VWAP is like down here. Let's just do this, just so that we know. right? VWAP is right here. Make it yellow. Give or take, because I'm not going to keep it on the chart. All right, let's see what we're doing. The 5 second is giving us what we want. Now we're going to hopefully take the high again. So let's see. Ideally, in the best case scenario, and you guys heard me say it, we want maybe this, a little bit more up. We want money flow. Watch the money flow. I want price to take the high, seemingly out of nowhere. Money flow stays lower. And then that could be our short. Right? That could be our short right there. So let us get ready. Let's get ready. Where else could it go realistically? Let's see. When he sleeps, does he know? All right, we're in the golden pocket right now. Let's see if we break it. What's the one doing? We should. I think we should. Yeah, one is bullish as well. One is giving us like bull divs too. So because, or not bull divs, sorry. One is giving us thick money flow as well. So we might not be at the high yet. We might not be. But we are doing what we anticipated that we did, right? We're taking the high again. What is this line? Oh, that was the old range. Okay, we don't need that right now. Okay, yeah, we got VWAP on now. All right, cool. Okay, VWAP is way down there. We don't need to worry about it right now. Are we taking the high yet? Did we take it yet? We're definitely going to take the high. I would be shocked if we don't. We also missed our party song, but that's okay because Bitcoin is doing things right now. All right, we just took the high again. So now we're getting the divs with the money flow. Let's see what we see. Now we're looking for divergences with the wave. If this next one, oh man, this could be it now. This is super volatile, guys. This is risky. I have to tell you, it's absolutely risky. I gotta say. It is risky. Very risky right now. All right. Let's see. All right, 1 minute is also giving us the golden nugget, but the money flow is coming up, but it would be a divergence, and it's good confluence with the vector candles on the way up. So once again, we have the money flow divergence right now on the 5 second, which is good. That's what we want to see. Let's check the 30 second. 30 second is giving us a good indication of coming down as well. We might get somewhat of a rejection. The highs could be close in terms of time, not necessarily price. We know that this could shoot up like $500 in 1 second if it wants to. So we just need to be aware of that. Right? And I honestly wouldn't even be surprised. If it jumps to like 39 or 40K during the stream, I would not be surprised. I would not be surprised in the slightest. Waiting for that 30K BTC. It will happen, man. It will happen. It will happen. When will it happen? I don't know, but it will happen. All right, we're getting the divs, man. The divs are here. Was this the top of the year? Was this the high of the year? Money flow on the one is suggesting that it is not the high of the year. $15, $12, $10, $9, $5, $3. All look good. for that to have been the high of the year. We're only now waiting on 1 minute money flow to make its way down. And we're waiting for 5-second money flow. Now, remember what I just did on the 5-second, right? Money flow on the 1 is still thick. So now we do the same thing that we just did on the 5, but we do it on the 1. We expect a pullback. We look for another divergence. Boom, boom, boom. There is the high, right? That's how we do it, man. And then we monitor what the other time frames are doing in that time. The 3 minute is doing what I just said on the 5-second, where the money flow is coming down, then the money flow came up, but the money flow didn't take previous money flow. So we're getting the divergences on the 3 minute in terms of money flow at the very least, right? So now we're just waiting for that to happen on all the time frames. And then when, as I call it, when the stars align, which is when everything obviously lines up, that is where your giga super mega short is. So we'll see, man. We will see. How high we go, I don't know. We could get a very quick wick. Guys, we can have a huge one. Like, this could just go right up to 39K if it wants to. Right? I think in terms of time, we might be close to the top. Might be, but in terms of price, we might not be, right? It can move pretty substantially. Let's check CVD real quick. Many longs are coming in. Actually, shorts are closing, or they're getting stopped out. Let's check. Let's go on a lower time frame. Yeah, people are getting liquidated. People are getting liquidated right now. For sure, people are getting liquidated. All right, man. Let's see what we see. So 1 minute is giving us the div, but we're not getting a pullback, and money flow is still thick. What I would like to see on the 1 minute is to get somewhat of a retracement, perhaps down to here, right? Maybe $100 retracement, giving the 1 minute time to come down. Perhaps even it comes a little bit lower. The lower it goes, the better it is. We might get a nice cheat sheet entry on the 1 and then run it up to, like, you know, this while money is starting to come down. That would be best case scenario, right? That is best case scenario for the shorts. Whether or not if that's going to happen, once again, we do not know, but that's what we're waiting on. And this is how I think in real time, guys. I'm giving you the flavor for absolutely free. So if you haven't already done so, please hit the like button. Because I give you guys this for free, man. And by the way, while we're waiting for that to do that, I give you guys this for free all day in the VIP Discord, which you can join for free by DMing my bot, the 4-digit code that you're going to hear in this video. This live stream, I'm only going to say it once. So make sure you stick around, and it's not yet. But I give you guys updates all the time in real time. Make sure you hit the like button. Please and thank you. All right, so we're getting the pullback that we're expecting. Let's actually see what our Bollinger Bands are. Guys, I'm working on a Bollinger Band strategy for you. Yeah, I'm working on a Bollinger Band strategy for you. Okay, so we are getting a little bit of a rejection here, which is what we expected, right? We said $100, $150, perhaps down to here. Let's see what happens now. Money flow on the 1 is still super thick. Money flow on the 2 is thickening, which is not good for our shorts. However, the 3 minute time frame is still indicating that we could potentially be, once again, at a we could be putting in not necessarily the high, but like a high, right? We could be putting in a high. We are getting the divergences still. We do have the vector candles, right, that we can come and recover. And you guys know on this channel that I teach you how to follow the money. So we are getting that little retracement to the downside. Let's see what Market Cipher wants to show us now, right? Where we got somewhat of that rejection. Now what we want to see on the 1 minute time frame. Wait, how delayed are we? Let me clap so I can see. Okay, 56 was the price. Let me check. It shouldn't be that delayed, man. It's like 20-second delay. Should be like a 20-second delay. Let me see when they Yeah, what? Like 30-second delay? Yeah, 30-second delay. Man, listen, I had it so that there was no delay, and you guys, it was like not even watchable. So this is unfortunately, and plus, I don't think any streamer, like, it's always a little bit delayed. Anyway, okay, so we are getting the retracement here. We are getting the rejection. It's exactly what we wanted to see, right? 5-second time frame. We got money flow coming out. We had exactly what we wanted to see. I said I wanted a higher price. Let me hide the Bollinger Bands. I said I wanted higher price. I said I wanted money flow over time to diverge. Now, we didn't actually get that right over here, but it's not over till the fat cow starts mooing, which isn't even a saying, but I just invented that saying now. All right, we're bouncing off of the value area high. We're bouncing off of the value area high right now currently, and we are expecting somewhat of a bounce. So was that the local, the super, super local low? I don't know. We're going to find out together. The 1 minute money flow is still thick. The 2 minute money flow is starting to head down, which is a good sign. This could be the yearly high, guys. This could be. I'm not saying it is, but it definitely could be. We are getting the divergences. We are potentially forming a daily SFP level. Let's see if we're getting any candles closing above this level. The hourly candle closes in 11 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to mark the old high, and we're going to mark it as SFP, and we're going to keep it on. We need to know that if in 11 minutes we close below the 38,209, then we know that we do potentially have an SFP, guys, and you know we got a lot of liquidity below us. And as soon as we do an SFP, yes, technically market structure broke, but we are to target the lows, and I'll go over that in just a second here. But let's stay on the 5 minute time frame. Red dot, red significant dot with money flow decreasing, guys. We are getting the divergences. This could be the yearly high. Okay, and if it is, I want somebody to clip it and say that I said it on stream with you guys. This could be the yearly high. We do not know yet. The 1 minute time frame is giving us potentially cheat sheet entry. Perhaps we take the high one more time, giving us those 3 waves that we like to see with money, or when money flow is thick. Perhaps. 1 second, guys. Hold on. All right. Bitrex is at 46K. You mean Bitfinex? What is Bitrex? Oh, here? 40K. Man, this exchange is like, I'm not... This is... I don't even know what this is, bro. I literally don't know what that is. Like, don't trade that. Get off that exchange. All right. Oh, BTC USDC on Bitrex or whatever. Dude, you can't even chart this, bro. What is this? These candles are so weird. No, man, there's no liquidity on that exchange. I wouldn't use that exchange. I wouldn't trade on that exchange. Me personally. I'm not going to sit here and tell you not financial advice because I'm not your father. So, you know, obviously it's not financial advice. Like, obviously. What are you going to do? Sue me if I tell you to do something and it goes wrong? If I do that and you have no money, so how are you going to do that? But, I suggest that exchange is not good. Got enough water? Man, guys, listen, I need to hydrate because if I don't, you see how I'm like yelling at you. Also, guys, this is probably the first stream where action is actually happening while we're on stream, so that is perfect. I'm very glad. I'm very happy that this is happening right now. Guys, look, listen. I want you to just look. I'm not gonna sit here and say I told you so. I'm not gonna brag, right? If this is the yearly high, But I just want you to note that it could be, okay? It could be the high, right? Whether it is or isn't, I don't know, right? But it could be the yearly high. And obviously by yearly high, I mean 2023, right? Because I do think that December is going to be not so hot for a lot of people. I do think that. All right. Your father's company went bankrupt 3 times. He sucks financially. Yeah, then I'm definitely not your father because Geo ain't never went bankrupt. You have a limit order at about 38.7. What's at 38.7? And that's a genuine question. I haven't like done TA up here because I'm gonna be honest, like it's a little bit difficult. Not that it's hard to do TA, but it's hard to like. Okay, it's easy to get SFPs, easier to get SFPs when it's easier to get SFPs when you are in your, like, I guess we'll call it a comfort zone. Right now, I would consider this an uncomfortable zone because it's just like we haven't been here in like 2 years or a year and a half or whenever it is. Like there's no relatively recent price action here, right? The last, like May 22nd, it's been a year and a half since we've been here. So it's like, it's more difficult to chart it. Right? We're talking super macro right now. Right? We're talking super macro. All right, guys, the 1 hour time frame is giving us the green dot. So it is looking like we can come up a little bit higher. However, we do know that the lower term time frames are potentially giving us those divergences. The 24-minute looks like it could get some more gas for sure. Right? So if this is going to be the high, we are going to need to see a significant drop. The 10-minute time frame. 10-minute time frame right now is giving us a red vector candle indicating that we actually might come back up still and continue this little pump on to the upside. Right, 9 minutes giving us the divs that we like to see. The 5-minute for sure is giving us the divs that we like to see. The 3-minute time frame is priming up for potentially a green dot, red dot formation, giving us another divergence, which would line up with our 2-minute theory, or actually, sorry, more so our 1-minute theory, where I said we're going to come down, get the cheat sheet entry potentially, and do something like this. If we come up out of nowhere while money continues its merrily way down, which is what we are hoping for, then this is exactly the sign that we're looking for when we want to short. Right? 5-second time frame might be getting primed to do what I also said, which was giving us another wave divergence over time, right? So let's see what happens. We need to mark out the high again and say, if we take the high again, which we may, right? Some of the signals are showing us that we may. If we come and we take the high, then we are getting those divergences ready to go, right? The divergences are giving us what we want to see. This one, we're going to change this to DSFP. This is what we want the daily level to close under. All right. Let's see. Let's analyze volume in this little price action here from the high to the current low. Let's see. If we're gonna reject, guys, it's gonna be from this little box right here. It's gonna be from this box right here if we're gonna reject. So let's see if we do. That is our golden pocket locally, very locally, and the value area high of this little mini range. 40k on the dot is the beginning of our order block. Not on the dot, but it's our daily order block. So we're gonna hide the order block because we know it's at 40k. We know that price can go all the way up. Really, while still respecting the order block, price can come up to here. So let's write OB high up here. Let's put the text in the middle. Let's make it blue, light blue, sure, whatever. And let's make it like super thick. No, that's too thick, like that. Okay. All right, so let's see what happens, guys. Let's see. key level at 38450. Yeah, that's the high. Oh, monthly level. Is there a monthly level there? I don't have a monthly there. Oh, you mean from this one? I mean, you could, like, it's an old monthly level for sure. For sure, it's an old monthly level, but I don't know. I don't really consider it one because we tapped it and then we broke right through it. So I wouldn't consider it one. I would consider up here 45K is definitely a monthly level. But this one, like, you could say it's an old monthly level for sure. I'm not gonna tell you that it's not. Right? I'm definitely not gonna say that it's not. All right, let's see what we see here. You're way older than me. I'm not your father. Well, that that same attitude works for both of us because I don't ever want kids. So it works out for the both of us, man. Okay, guys. So money flow right now on the one is coming out slowly. Slowly but surely, money flow is coming out. This is still not the sign, not the signal that I would want to see for a long-term short. What I would want to see? Let's see. Let's come to the 5. Let's start on the 5. Oh, man. Okay, 5 might give us something like this. And guys, listen. Actually, you know what? Let me go big face for you guys real quick. Hold on. Listen, hear me out. Hear me out, okay? This right now, I'm giving you guys how I come up with, how do I enter my trades? This is exactly how I do it. And this is, I'm giving it to you guys for free. Okay, everything I do, with exception of my boot camps, because I have to be fair to myself, I give you guys for free, right? You can learn a lot by sticking around on this channel. And for everybody that's here, and especially the Discord, shouts out to you guys. I appreciate you guys all the time for being here, kicking it with me every single day. So shouts out to you. But if you're new here, welcome. This is how we roll, baby. And I give you guys it all for free. I'm not like everybody else. Let the others tell you. Don't take my word for it. Let the others tell you. But make sure you like the video, please. Like the stream. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Join the Discord. I give you guys setups in advance. And I give you guys exactly what we're talking about right now. I tell you guys, and I'm giving it to you for free. So please do me a solid and hit the like button for me. I appreciate all of you. All right. Let's get the show rolling. Okay. 3-minute time frame is starting to curve down. Money flow is still coming up. I'm not super convinced that we're at the high yet. We could be, but I'm not super convinced. The higher midterm time frames, let's say 30 and down, or like 15 and up, are looking good for this to be a potential real swing high. Okay? Could be. Not saying it is. It could be. Remember, we are entering this trade right now with the context of this could be a daily SFP. And this could come and bring us back down to 34K where all that liquidity resides. We have to keep that in our mind. Yes, things look bullish, but we cannot deny the fact that it could come down. I'm not saying it will. It can come down. So, that being said, I just want to say that because I don't want people to say, oh, Gio said. No, man. It could come down. All right. So 2 minutes is not looking great. 2 minute actually is looking good for us to give us what we want. Let's check the one. Okay. 2 minute is giving us what we could get. Like we could get another div, right? We could go bang, bang. And y'all know, if you're in the Discord, y'all know the bang, bang, right? We could go bang, bang. We could. If we're going to reject, we're going to reject from this box. If we're going to reject, we're going to reject from this box here. Right from this box, this is where we're going to reject from. If we're going to reject, we don't know yet. If not, we're going to come up for the high again, in my opinion. Let's see. 1 minute time frame, money flow. And by the way, guys, humbly, just to say, if you are new here, humbly, I'm the best reader of market cipher on the planet. I dare anyone to challenge me on it. Okay, 1 minute is coming up. 1 minute money flow is thick. Let's check the 5 second. I mean, all right. 5 second money flow is coming down. And did we get a div here? We didn't actually get a div. And we're actually not even making it up to our yellow box. We are slightly front running it. But 5 second time frame, the money flow is coming out. This is the top of the wick on the 4 hour. Man, the higher term time frames we already established could be giving us significant high signals, very high signals. This could clip in. We got divs with the money flow. We got divs with the momentum waves. This could be the yearly high. I cannot say that enough. And I'm going to come back. I'm not going to brag and say I told you so, because I'm saying it could be, but, and not it is, but the high is, I think, like, man, we'll see. We'll see. As we get more data, we're going to analyze as we go, man. But I'm talking to you guys now in real time. This is how I think. This is how we enter the trades, right? This is how we enter it. And I'm teaching you guys in real time. Money flow is still thick on the 1. If money flow is still going to be thick, I like to see 3 waves of divergences, meaning I want to see 1 more, right? If this is the 1, this is the 2, this would be the 3, meaning this is the 1, this is the 2, and this would be the 3. How high can it go is a different story. I don't have levels up here because we are in like an uncomfortable zone is what I'm going to call it. In a sense that we don't have any recent price action. So where could it realistically go? It could go pretty high, right? We're just reading market cipher right now. Let's see. I mean, we got that whole order block above us, right? Up to 40K is where the order block high is. Right? The order block ends here, so it is possible. It's even possible to come up and SFE these highs, man. We can SFE them. Let's mark them. Right? SFP. Thick SFP. Major SFP. Major SFP. Right? And then this one is probably like a super mega giga. Super mega giga SFP. Right? So I'm not suggesting that this is the high, but I'm just saying that it could be the high. And we are to play the range locally with the context that this could be a serious high. This could be a swing high right now. All right, we came in, we're rejecting from value area high. We came in, we rejected exactly from our yellow box here so far. Let's see what the 1 is showing us. 1 is giving us continued money coming out. We're not getting the other div yet. I like to see 3 divs when money flow is as thick as it is. So I'm not super convinced that this yellow box for now is going to hold, but it definitely might hold. It definitely might. We'll see. We will see. 5 is still looking good to potentially curve down. We got to watch the 3. 5 is looking good. 3 is still looking good to give us a green dot, red dot formation. In which case we'll be consistent with our divergences. I still would like to take the high one more time. Whether or not we do is a different story. I don't know. But I would like it. Money flow on the 2 is looking upwards. And it looks like we could. Once again, we're just waiting for this. We're waiting for the bang bang. The boom. Whoops, that was too high. Or wait, that was too low. Seriously? We're waiting for the bang bang. Alright? We want to see that. That is what we want to see. Let's check the 1. 1 is looking good for that as well. Right? Money flow's coming out, and we know, I mean, if you took my boot camp, then we know, but Market Cipher Beat, today I'm making a video about the order of operations. If you're new here, I'm going to teach you how to read it the way that I'm teaching you guys kind of now, the way that I'm talking now. I'm going to teach you how to read it. But right now, we know that, actually, technically, even locally, we have a golden nugget here, so maybe this yellow box does hold. We'll see, but we know that the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences that we have. And, yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens here. Money. Let's check money. Money. We are starting to get money flow divergences on the 5-second time frame as we came up to our yellow box, guys. This could be the high. This could be maybe not the high, but it could be a significant high. The 1 minute is starting to curve up. We got to check the 5 now. Everything is lining. The stars are aligning right now for a potential swing short. Okay, the stars are aligning, but this is how you can take a scalp and turn it into a swing short. All right, let's see what we do here. We're at value area high, and we are still money coming down, and we're still taking. This could be it, guys. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. This, honest to God, could be it. This could be it right here. This could have been the signal, literally right here. Let's see. Let's see. We're at the value area high. Let's see. Let us wait and see. All right, money flow is coming out on the 3. Money is coming out on the 1. Money is going up on the 2. 2 is not really what we would want to see. I have to be honest with you. So the stars are not aligning 100% here. They're aligning maybe 50% here, just because the 2 is not looking too hot. Right? The 2 is not looking too hot. 2 looks like it wants to make a run for the high again, and it absolutely can, and it absolutely may. The 3 is looking good if we take the high again for another divergence. Right? The 5, I'm not too concerned with the green dot on the 9. I'm not very concerned with it. The 10 is still looking good for divs. Everything is still looking good for divs, guys. All of these time frames are still looking super juicy. Right? Let's see what happens. Let's see. We are consistently putting in lower money flow on the 5 second, while we're putting in lower momentum waves on the 5 second, while we are coming up to our golden box zone. So maybe this will be a scalp short. I don't know. Maybe we just blow through the zone and we take the high. I don't know, but the signs are here. The money's coming out. 1 minute money flow is coming out. 1 minute is potentially printing us our golden nugget. Money is coming out as we're coming into this zone, right? The 2 is still not looking good because the money's coming in, right? And we don't actually have a golden nugget, I don't think, on the 2 minute. Very slight, maybe. Very, very slight. But we are, nonetheless, in a very local scalp short zone. So we'll see if this gives us the scalp that we're looking for, potentially. And we'll see if that scalp turns into something a little bit more, right? We'll see if it turns into something a little bit more. Let's see where we could potentially look for longs. Right? Yeah, this zone here, I would say, is looking good to long, potentially. So we'll just leave that as it is right now. Do we have anywhere else? Yeah, same zone. Not really interested in the golden pocket. All right, this is what I would say. This is where we're playing right now. We're playing between these 2 levels. Let's see if it holds. We could honestly just blast right through. Remember, the 2 minute money flow and the 2 minute time frame is looking like we want to take the high again. So are we going to short yet? Your call. It's not we, it's you. This could be a potential short. By the way, guys, if you need an exchange to trade on, Mexi is the #1 exchange, in my opinion, out there. It is the cheapest on fees, 0.02% taker fee, 0% maker fee. If you don't know what that means, you shouldn't be trading. But if you do know what that means and you want to help support me and my channel for absolutely free, you can sign up using my affiliate link. There are promos and stuff. I don't really know how they work, if I'm going to be completely honest with you, and I don't have time to look into it. But if you need an exchange to trade on, please do me a solid, sign up. The link is in the description down below. And you can hit these trades with us, baby. All right, let's check. Let's see. Man, this stream is fun. I'm not checking your guys' comments, guys. I'm sorry. I'm a little bit behind on it because we're trying to hit this, man. I want to get this. This could be a super mega giga short. It could be. Okay, not is, but it could be. No, I have not said the code already. I'm giving you guys only the code one time in this stream. All right, let's see. Let's see. We could come for the high again. We definitely can come for the high again. Let's check CVD real quick on the 1. CVD is on both. Okay. So right now, CVD. I mean, CVD is not really increasing here. It's not really what we would want to see for Bybit. Is this Bybit or Binance? Which one are we on? I don't like the Binance one. I like the Bybit one better. All right, let's see. We are rejecting from our yellow box zone right now. We can't say it's not expected. We do have the money coming out, and we do have the momentum waves coming out. Let's check the 5-second time frame. I want to see red. Nice. We're seeing red right now. Okay. We're seeing red. We are rejecting seemingly off of the value area high of this little range here. Are we going to make our way down to the value area low? It's a good question. I don't know. We're going to assess, but you can see on the 5-second time frame, whoever asked me about money or how I like the 5-second, man, you could see it clear as day. You follow the money on the 5-second, right? Money's coming out, momentum waves are coming down. As we're coming into a key level, that's a short all day long, baby. That is a short all day long. And guys, this could be the high of the year. I'm not saying it is, but it definitely could be. Definitely could be. All right, how many people we got in chat? Where my mods at? How many people? We got 129 people watching currently, which I think is the most that we've ever had. So shouts out to all of you guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't joined the community, make sure you hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and join the Discord. I give you guys all this sauce for literally completely free. And if you don't want to take my word for it, let's ask the other ones. Come in the Discord and ask the other ones. And please hit the like button, guys. 129 people, only 78 likes. And if we could, this is the most people I've had on my stream, so I'd like to have the most likes possible. Let's see if we can get this up to 120 likes before I get off this stream. 120 likes, we're at 78. We're 42 likes away. If you guys could do me the solid, please do me that favor. Let's bring awareness to more eyeballs. It helps me do this for you guys like every day for a living. No worries, Glenn. No worries, bro. I'm just playing. But yeah, if you guys could, you know, it'd mean the world to me. Please hit the like button if you haven't already done so. Okay, so we came into our yellow box zone, right? This rejection right now is to no surprise. Honestly, I would be surprised if we didn't get this little baby rejection here, right? I would be surprised. But let's take a look. Are we gonna make our way down to the value area low / our other box? It is definitely possible. It is definitely possible. Let's change the color of this because I don't want it to get confused with another SFP. Let's make it, do you want it to be green? Yeah, but we gotta make it like in your face. Okay. All right. Just shorted 38,340. 38,340. Nice, man, nice. I gotta say this is looking a little bit ugly, but this is literally a 5-second time frame. How does it look on the one? Did we grab any liquidity? No, not really. That's okay. We actually just formed an order block up here. Yeah, this is an order block now. This is an order block now. Well, we need to break structure. Actually, it's not because we need to break this low. When we take this low, it would be considered an order block. So this is pending. Right, we're gonna write pending. Pending 1 minute. Pending 1. And this would also be another one. So let's see what happens, guys. We're getting a little bit of a dump on right now. Getting a little bit of a dump on. Shouts out to Fabio, who shorted from 38,340. Glenn says, guys, this man is giving you the sauce. Let's show our love. Yeah, man, please hit the like button. See how much more fun the stream is when Steve actually decides to make some moves here? What's the yellow box? You have to step away. Yellow box is the value area high as well as the golden pocket 786 from this little local, right? So that was the yellow box there, and then this yellow box is the low from or the golden pocket from here. Confluence with the value area low and our daily SFP flip, right, that we're watching. Here we could expect probably somewhat of a little bounce. I don't know if we're gonna get a huge bounce from it, because I would still prefer coming down to the value area low. We might get a little bit of a bounce from here because we are in a golden pocket. It's just not the one that I would prefer, but I mean, is what it is. Let's see. This pump, this little pump, not pump, you know what I'm saying, is a green vector candle. So, you know, this is good confluence that we may roll over and make our way back down. Let's check the 5-second time frame. 5 second is giving us very thick money flow. And we are actually currently getting hidden bull divs on the 5 second money flow. So we'll see if we don't take that low. Money is starting to flow out of the 1 minute time frame, guys. If we come back up and we take the high one more time and the money flow is starting to look like this, which is exactly what I was saying, things could get pretty saucy. And guys, hear me out on this, okay? I have a theory. How true or false this theory is, I do not know. How far can you take this theory? Can you take this theory to the bank? I do not know. Have I backtested this theory? I haven't backtested it, but I've like real life tested it. So if you disagree with me, maybe you can let me know in the comments. But here's my theory. I have a theory that during holidays, market makers use holidays for awareness just so that they could wreck you, okay? And so yesterday was Thanksgiving. Today's Black Friday. People are in the mood for shopping, right? People are spending. And so what better way than to have Thanksgiving yesterday, right? Families and friends get together. These families and friends are like, oh, yeah, I bought this Bitcoin thing. Bitcoin has doubled in price in the last 2 months, whatever. And then Carrie goes, oh, really? I've never heard of Bitcoin. I thought it was a scam. And then they go, no, not really, da-da-da, whatever. And then so Carrie decides to buy Bitcoin today. Oh, calls Jim. Hey, Jim, I bought Bitcoin last night, like you said, at 37K. I'm up $1,000. Oh, my gosh. And then, boom. Dump to all eternity, right? So, look, again, this is my theory. Is it confirmed? No. Is it statistically proven? No. That's just, I have a theory, man. I have a theory. I got a theory, bro. All right, Fabio says this is going up. Right, we just tapped our box, right? We tapped our yellow box. We tapped our yellow box. Is this going up, Fabio? I'll tell you this. The 3-minute as of right now is suggesting otherwise. The 2-minute is suggesting possible, right? Possibly. 5-minute is suggesting otherwise. 10-minute is suggesting otherwise. 12-minute is potentially suggesting otherwise. 15 is potentially suggesting otherwise. 30 potentially suggesting otherwise. 1 hour is suggesting maybe, like, you know, for the next few hours it'll go down. But I'll tell you this, man. Like I said, I am approaching whatever happens here as potentially a swing short. We have to be very aware of this daily. 38,209 is the most important price today, or I would say of the year. 38,209, basically exactly where we are, is the most important right now. Okay, most important right now, guys. We are getting a golden nugget here on the 1-minute time frame. 5-second time frame is suggesting we might get a little bit more up here, but we're gonna see. We like to see the divergences over time on the 5-second time frame. So in my opinion, it's a little bit too soon. So for you to get into a short, you want to be at value area high and want to see divs. Not necessarily at the value area high. Like, you just look for confluence, right? In this case, I'm analyzing this very local, like, little range, right? I just took from this high, from the high that we put to the down. So this is our, like, little local range, and I'm just analyzing the volume. That's all. All right, so Bitcoin is making a little move to the downside. Guys, I have to be very honest with you. I did take the short as well. I did. When I said that could be the high when we were up at this zone up here, I did take the short. I am short from 38,320. And I haven't taken profits yet. I'm probably... Maybe I will. Maybe I should. I probably should. Probably should. But we'll see. We'll see. We will see. Yeah, money flow on the 2 is still very, very thick. Do we have any vector candles up here? No, we don't. Interesting. Okay. This is actually going to be a pending 2-minute order block now, so we can move this down to here. We can change this to a 2. More important. Let's come back to the 1, and then we'll draw this for the 1. That's fine. Right, that's fine. No problem. All right. Oh, wow. This would actually be a 3-minute order block as well. Interesting. So we are forming order blocks up here, guys. And this would be a 5-minute order block. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to take this further. We're going to write pending 5-minute here. Very interesting. This is good confluence for the shorts, I have to say. This is what we want to see for shorts. We absolutely want to see this for the shorts. All right, let's come down to the 5-second time frame. Money flow is still thick. Yes, it is giving us the divergences, but I like to see money flow divergences over time, right? Over time on the 5 second. So although we could get a decent pump here, man, I'm on the 5 second. I'm talking about pumps. That's crazy. But y'all know what I'm saying, or so I hope. I hope so. I very much hope so. But we'll see, man. We'll see what happens. We're gonna see what we see, baby. Let's see what we see. This is looking nice. Rounded bottom, right? This is looking pretty nice. Somewhat of a move, but I don't know, man. I'm not really. It could give us a move back up, but we will see, man. I'll tell you this: the 2-minute time frame definitely looks like it wants to come back up, but it's gonna depend on the lower term time frame. Sorry, the higher term time frames, guys. Looks like this could have been a significant top. I'm not gonna lie, and I was saying it for the past half an hour, 45 minutes. 45 minutes I've been saying it. All right. Marflex says, knew it. This 123. What's up, brother? How are you? Smash it, smash it. We want to take the high one more time. Maybe, man. Maybe we will. Perhaps we will. How many likes are we at, guys? 92 likes and 125 people in here. I give you guys the sauce every day and multiple times in the day in my Discord. So if you haven't already joined the Discord, make sure you join. I give you guys the updates in advance. I give you guys the market Cipher B updates in real time. I give you even long-term projections. Look at this. This is long-term, guys. Bitcoin down to 30K, then up to 40, 42K, then down to 16K, and then up. And you know what? Maybe this is gonna happen, maybe it's not, but if it does, you best believe I'm gonna say I told you so. So I'm gonna pin that, but I give you guys the updates in real time, guys, many times. It's free for you to join. All you have to do to join the VIP Discord is DM my bot, the 4-digit code that you're gonna hear throughout this video. In this video specifically, this only one time, I'm going to give it only once for you. Actually, you know what? I'll be nice. I won't give it once. I'll give it twice. So let's wake up the bot. Wake up, Mr. GeoBot. Let's make a new code. Let's purge everybody. Goodbye, all the VIP members. You have now been purged. All right, Bitcoin has given us that move down that we expected and we are happy about because we are short. I still have not taken profits, guys. I still haven't taken profits. We're going to see what happens. VIP has now been purged. Welcome to all the new members. Look at this. Boom. All of you guys, welcome to you. Thank you for kicking it. Thank you for chilling with us. We're happy to have you, man. Okay, guys, here is the VIP code. Hold on. Let me make sure that we're all set here. Real quick. Let me get my bot. Where's my bot? This freaking bot, man. I hate this bot. Okay. VIP role is now open. You guys have all been purged. By the way, to the new people, in case you don't know how it works, okay? Which you probably don't because you're new. This is the way VIP works. It's completely free for you to join, okay? Every time I post a video, I create a new VIP code. Every time I post a video, I do something called the purge. And I purge you, so I remove you all from VIP, all of you, okay? In order to enter the VIP, you have to watch my latest video or my latest live stream. And you have to send my bot, which I'm going to show you guys here in just 1 second. You're going to send my bot the VIP code that I say in the video. This does two things. Number one, it forces you to learn. But number two, it a little bit manipulates you because it manipulates my watch time. It makes you guys want to watch and it makes you guys watch. And so it's a free way for you to get levels and stuff. It's a free way for me to build my channel and spread the awareness to others. Now, I got to be honest with you. I purge you guys multiple times a day. Okay? Not always. Sometimes I usually purge you at least once a day, but I will sometimes on occasion purge you twice a day. Okay? If getting purged is inconvenient for you because you have work, you have everything else, whatever, it doesn't matter what you have going on, it's your life. If you have that, then you can come over here to how to enter VIP. Come and click on this link which will open up WAP, and you can pay for VIP if you want, which is $13 a month currently. I can't promise that will always be the price, but for now, that is the price. Okay, and so guys, now I want you to come on over to my VIP, or to the Discord. On the top right here, Mr. Geobot is open. Come over and type 0498, and you will all be admitted into my VIP section. So I'll see you guys in there. 0498. All right, guys, this is not a pending order block anymore because we did not break structure, right? So we're gonna dump this one. We don't need it. Let's check the 1 minute. Let's check the 1 minute. 1 minute is also not a confirmed order block. Not a confirmed order block. This is still pending. Pending 1 minute. We need to take the low. We need to take this low, this wick, in order for it to be confirmed. And we bounced exactly from our zone, guys. So shouts out to you if you took the long. Shouts out to you if you took the short. Those were 2 trades right there, super locally, of course, that you could have taken. So let's see what happens now. All right, let me check the comments real quick. Actually, I'm gonna read a little bit while I drink. Okay, Keys says he's been saying it for 3 weeks. I don't know what your what you said, bro. I'm sorry. Jeff says Geo spits money. Jeff, you're my boy, bro. I wish you could quack on stream for us here. Okay, look for a range. Look for divs on momentum, and money flow needs to be going down on multiple time frames. Yes, sir. King D. Yes, sir. God, you know. Actually, we're in a bull market, bull run since December 2022. I respectfully disagree. Purge but no code, or no code. Y'all got the code now. Geobot, be working hard, man. You got to keep purging everybody. Yo, the Geobot, bro, it breaks my laptop, I swear. I need an alternative for it, like, soon. Like, soon. Very soon. All right, guys, 99 likes. Can we get 21 more likes? I got 131 of you. I'm printing money for you guys, man. I give it all for free for you guys. Listen, don't even take my word for it. Everybody in the Discord, look, guys, in the Discord, in the general, for all the newcomers. Actually, who joined the VIP? Are you guys back? Listen, don't even take my word for it, man. Don't even take my word for it. Take their word for it. They will tell you. Guys, we're holding the short strong still, and we just lost the level. Okay, we just lost the level. So let's come over. Let's come over and let's see what we see. All right, look. 3 minute juicy vector candle, potentially SFPing these lows. Okay, we could come up. We could come up now, right? This is our first sign of like, all right, maybe we're gonna come up a little bit. Maybe we are. I don't know, but maybe we are. We do have the vector candle, right? Did we close any 1 minute candles below here? We did not close 1 minute candles below here. It might be time to take profits, guys. It might be. It might be time to take profits. I got my finger ready. One's at the ready, baby. Finger on the trigger. I'm ready to take 50% out. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Just a little bit. Let me see. Oh, 5-second money flow is coming out. And this is a very key level, guys. Put this on your charts right now. 38,209. 38,209. If the daily candle closes below 38,209, RIP, baby. We're going down. Okay? Don't listen to the noise. Don't listen to YouTube. My title, this thumbnail is just clickbait, but guys, don't fall don't fall for it. How did you miss the code? Bruh. Y'all are oh baby, we're getting paid today, baby. Look at that short we took together. Look at that short we took together. But now you got to think on contrary, guys, right? What do we have? Oh, right now, currently, we do have money flow diverging on the 5-second time frame. As we came down to touch, oh no, that wasn't the range low. We actually just took the low. We just broke the low. But we do have the vector candles, but we did break the low. So now what do we have? Okay, what do we have now? Let's check What time frame is this? This is the 1 minute time frame. This is a valid order block now, guys. We got a valid order block here. This is a valid order block. Valid. Maybe we come down fast and we tap VWAP? Right? Maybe. Let's set a TP at 37899. Let's see. I just want to see. Maybe we come really quick. Who knows? We front run it a little bit. Let's do 910. Let's go 910. Let's go 912. Because people will do 910. So let's go 912. Let's see. Okay, we're just gonna see. Maybe we get something like that. Something saucy. Guys, right there, man. We're up 56% on a trade that we just opened live on stream together. Can you believe that, man? Man? How could we do it? All right, guys. I mean, that's probably a little bit ambitious, I have to say. But we do have the TP set there. Let's see. Let's see if we get a fast move down to VWAP, which is very possible. We are leaving these vector candles behind, guys, but shouts out to you if you took the short. As I mentioned, I'm not gonna say I told you so because I don't know what's gonna happen, and we could take the high again. But this could be the yearly high. Do not listen to the noise. Don't listen to the noise. Making money is easy. If you made money, congratulations. Hold on to it now. Keeping the money is hard. Making money is so freaking easy. What bootcamp do I recommend? You can find a range, but you don't know when to get in. To be honest, man, all the bootcamps are like gonna help you with that. But man, you know what? I'll tell you, like, the next bootcamp is gonna be in January. And the next bootcamp is how I find my, like, when I do my TA, like, when I give you these, right? The next bootcamp is going to teach you how I do these. So, I would say the next one is probably important for you. Can I move my head? Oh, so you guys can see the price? How about I do this? Did we come and test VWAP since we Oh, guys, this is interesting. So we're actually losing the value area high of the previous range, and we're losing the daily SFP level that we need to close above if we're gonna have a significant move here. So again, guys, look, I'm not gonna sit here and say I told you so, because I also said that we could take the high again, but this could be a swing short. I need you to understand what I'm saying. The words that are coming out of my mouth. If you are not a scalper, you have no business opening longs up here. Even if it goes to 40K, the risk to reward makes 0 sense. If you are a swing trader, the only logical place for your stop loss to be, if you're a swing trader, the only logical place for it to be, I mean, you could even argue this, but is 35.5 is the only, actually not even, man, this one, this low would be 30, let's say 35.3 is the only logical place for it to be. So if you plan on buying and just leaving it, like buying and going to work, and you're not scalping and you're not analyzing, this is not the time to buy. I don't care if it goes to 40K. I don't care if it goes to 45K. It does not make sense if you are not a scalper to buy here. Okay? Comprende? I'm glad we had this conversation. All right, guys. We're getting the Rejecte Mundo. You bought long. 38, 150. You're all over the next boot camp. Yes, sir, baby. Yes, sir. If you take, look, that's going to be my 4th boot camp. And I honest to God believe if you take all 4 of those boot camps, the only thing that's left is market psychology, which is something that I like on a day-to-day basis. We talk about and we learn. And then discipline. But I can't teach you discipline. You have to sit on your hands and be disciplined. I cannot teach you that. All right, guys, we are at 102 likes. So thank you very much. I did hit 100 likes now. I'm very happy. 126 of you guys in chat, 102 likes. I would like 120 likes, though. I'm not being greedy. I'm just being smart, being optimistic. I'm being optimistic. I'm not being greedy. I'm being optimistic. Guys, locally, I hate to say this for the longs, but locally, we broke structure. All right, 1 minute market structure is bearish. 2 minute market structure is bearish. 3 minute market structure is... Let me hide this. I can't see it. Can't see anything. 3 minute market structure is... Ooh, bearish. Let's check the 5. 5 minute market structure is bearish. Wait, hold on. That's not right. That's not right. That's not right. Wait, low, high. This is actually just straight up and down. This is straight up and down. Okay, so let's draw out our market structure. So this is the 5. 5 just goes straight up. 5 has got nothing going on. No business here. 5 is just chilling. So forget what I said about bearish. Let's check the 3. 3 minute is... 3 is the same as the 5, actually. So we're still bullish on the 3. Let's check the 2. Wow. 2 is also the same. 2 is exactly the same. No difference. Yeah. 2 is the same. Let's check the 1. Let's check the 1. Okay, 1 is where we change. 1 is where it's different. Okay, so this is our 1 minute low. We need to take this 1 minute low. And we did not close strongly enough. We might have closed by a couple pennies, but we didn't close strongly enough. So we're gonna draw this line. We're gonna make it thin, like we like our women, nice and fit and thin and sexy. And we're gonna write pending 1 minute. We're gonna write pending 1 minute here. We're gonna see what we see. Let's see if we get it. So no reason to get overly bearish until this happens, right? Until this happens. And then this is a very key low to take. If we take this low, guys, we're coming much lower, in my opinion. Much lower. So here we're gonna write very... let's write 5 minute. Probably the 10 minute also, but let's just write 5 min down market structure. Low. Very important level. 37.6 is very important right now. It's also good confluence with our value area low. And we know based on volume theory, that when we break back into a value area, we are likely to make our way down. Right? So all we did here was just bounce on this high volume node. We just bounced off this high volume node. So perhaps we come back up, retest this level. Right? Retest here. Maybe hit this order block. And then rotate down. Right? Maybe we do that. Maybe we do that. So we will see what we see, baby. We'll see what we see. All right, let me check the chat here. CVD is going down. Let's check CVD real quick. CVD is going down. People are short. Yeah, people are shorting. That's people shorting. Interesting. Very interesting. And I'm like, am I trying to copy Jason Casper? I'm not trying to copy Jason Casper. I'm myself. But I learned from Jason, yeah. And I had my interview with Jason. Am I trying to copy him? No, I'm trying to make money. I got my own thing going on, man. Gio, where should we short if we did not short from 38,300? I would say for me, I would look for like somewhere in this range here, from like 38,220 to 38. Let's say 38,220 to 38,320. Right? I would look for somewhere here. And let me explain why. You guys know I like to teach you guys why. Let me tell you why. On top of the fact that we have an order block here and we have a golden pocket up here. Okay, this, I mean, we also have an order block up here as well. Now, this is not pending anymore. Well, on top of the fact that we have this, right? If we look locally, this 1 minute order block is just a 1 minute order block, right? It's just a 1 minute order block. So we can't put too much emphasis on it, right? But what we can put more emphasis on is the fact that this is our very important, guys, this is the most important daily candle close of the year. 28209 as of right now, currently as it stands, okay? So if we close, like, on top of the fact that this is a very important level that we need to hold, or not hold, that we need to lose for our shorts, it's still in the general range, so that's why I extended my little box here. And then if you come up here and you say, okay, 1 minute we broke structure, right? And then here is the high. You could SFP the order block or SFP this high into the golden pocket. That's why I extended it just a little bit. So I would say between 38,200, let's say 38,220 to 38,320. That's what I would say. Of course, we would want to see the bearish, we would want to see money flow bear divs on market Cipher B. I love you, bro. You didn't mean it that way. You are cool and unique. Thank you, bro. Happy to have you here, man. Did I short Bitcoin? I did short Bitcoin. I shorted it up here with you guys live on the stream. So if you're just tuning in, make sure you hit the notification bell. You sub and hit the notification bell so you can catch the trades as we do, baby. And I still have not taken profit. We are holding it long and strong. And by long, I mean short. We are absolutely holding it short. Love the live down to the 1 minute active TA. Thank you, man. This is the first time that I really got to do this because it's the first time that the market makers are actually doing anything. Right? First time that they're actually doing anything while I'm on stream. I'm not talking about random crap. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All right, how many likes are we at? 109 likes, 120 people in here, guys. 10 more likes. I want 10 more likes. Please hit the like button 10 more times for me. By the way, guys, I have 3 boot camps that are out, each $100 USD, but I'm doing a giveaway on all 3 of them. Okay, if you don't believe that they're good, don't take my word for it. Head over to the Discord. Link is in the description. Bootcamp channels, bootcamp testimonials. These guys will tell you. Let me just read one. Took the bootcamp from Market Cipher and is actually starting to make sense. Definitely a lot of info to take in. Requires a few watches. Gio making it all make sense. His understanding of Market Cipher and the ability to convey it in a way that's understandable is amazing. Gio is the cheat sheet for the Market Cipher, and he is guys, it's hard to read while I'm walking. I have to say that. Anyways, right there, guys. The proof is in the pudding. So if you want to join, or not join, sorry. If you want to enter the, I guess join it works too. If you want to enter the giveaway for my boot camps, I'm giving away all 3. I'm gonna announce it on Monday. So on Monday's stream. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Damn, you reached the liquidation price. I'm sorry, Bree. All right, why did I call you Bree? I'm sorry, Top G Shorts. Why did I call you Bree? So stupid. Oh man, oh man. What was the thought process if I shorted a lower high retracement and not a div? I went through it live, man. I went through it live. Die honesty. So if you didn't hear it, go back and because I can explain it now, but it's easy in hindsight. Go listen to me live. It'll change the way that you think. Right, guys? I give you guys everything for free. I give it all for free. I'm changing the game here. I'm corrupting the space. No one, listen. You know how I started this? I was, oh baby, let's go. Oh baby, let's go. Let's go. The shorts are shorting. Remember, guys, this could be the yearly high. Not saying it is, but it could be the yearly high. And I told you this at the top, okay? I told you this at the top. I have not taken profit yet on the short. Don't listen to the noise. Anyways, I'm going to corrupt the space because I know what it's like to lose. And I know what it's like to want to learn after you lose. And the truth is that we don't want to learn when we win. We only learn when we lose. And so if you just lost all your money and now you have no money and someone's like, oh, I could teach you, and they're not credible, they don't have a good personality or whatever, and then they're like, yeah, buy my course for $500. Well, you don't have money because you just lost your money. So I know what that's like, and I'm not ever going to I'm never going to do that. Everything is free for you. I'm corrupting the space. I'm going to change the game. TP1 just got hit, by the way. TP1 just got hit. I'm corrupting it. I'm going to change the game because I know what it's like to be on that side of the screen. And it wasn't very long ago when I was on that side of the screen. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, you already know the sauce. Welcome back. But I appreciate you guys. I do this every day. You guys made trading way more fun for me because I got people to talk to now. But that's the gambit, baby. That's the gambit. Are vector candles on a really small time frame like the 5 minutes even worth pursuing? I mean, you don't just see a vector and then long or short towards it. You add confluence, but yeah, it's worth pursuing. It's all money. It's a lot better worth pursuing vector candles than it is pursuing, like, you know, triangles and whatever else, like stupid stuff. For sure. For sure. Guys, TP1 has been hit. Stop loss is moved to the entry. We are in a no-risk trade. Our favorite, baby. Our favorite. No-risk trades. NRTs, baby. It's definitely the music that gives him powers. I'll tell you this, bro. I'll tell you this. My music is fire. I also have the best music in all of YouTube crypto. Okay? Best in the game. Best in the sauce. And actually, you know, I gotta say, man, we missed the party because we were making money instead. So let's go and let's hit our party, man. If you're new here, guys, we do this every day. So if the ones that are around, you guys know. But I missed my party today. Let's have a party real quick. Hold on. I gotta find my song. Right here. All right. Hold on. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this now. Because we made the money. We deserve it. By the way, guys, if you make 100K yesterday, that's cool. But what about today's money? Yesterday's money was yesterday's money, not today's money. All right, we're going to do this, baby. We didn't get to do this earlier.
I'll pull you in. I'll pull you back to what you need initially.
We're losing VWAP, baby. Let's go. This could be the yearly high, guys.
You're loyal to me, but this time I'll let you be. Cause he seems like he's good for you, and he
guys, giant head and shoulders on the chart right now. Y'all know what time it is, guys. Listen, if I made you guys make money in any way, make sure you drop the money bags. Let's go.
But does he know you call me when he sleeps? Does he know the picture that you keep? But does he know your heart?
Let's go! Let's go, baby! Pay me! Let's go! Taking on stream, baby. On stream. Of course it's dumping, baby. Of course it is. Y'all are too bullish, man. Of course it's dumping. What do you think? Let's see the money bags, guys. If I have made you make any money, even $1 for absolutely free, by the way, let me see those money bag emojis while we hit this party. We saw this coming a mile away. People are too bullish.
And all your friends say he's the one. His love for you is true. But does he know you call me when he sleeps? Does he know the picture that you give? Does he know the reason that you cry? Oh, tell me, does he know where your heart lies? Where it truly lies.
Let's go! Let's go! Oh, man! Oh, man, listen.
Does he know?
Guys. There is no money like short money. There is no money like short money. Y'all are too bullish. All right, I got a little bit carried away there, guys. We gotta stay humble. We gotta stay humble. We gotta stay humble. That was fun, though, man. That was fun, guys. That if you're new here, we do that every day. We do that literally every day. We do that every day. Twice. We have 2 songs, then we do it. We missed the second one. How long have we been streaming for? 2 hours already? I've been walking for 2 hours? Man, this treadmill is a game changer. All right, let's pull this back up. I don't know how that fell. Man, 2 hours already? That's crazy. All right, let's check what the chat is saying. What the chat is saying, lads. You know what I mean, lads? You know what I mean? Okay, where did my chat go? All right, let me see. Let me see here. La 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 la. Long and strong. Oof. Oof. Oh, my thing is starting to get laggy. We're starting to get laggy here. Okay, bro, is this going to break the previous swing low? It can. It can. I told you guys, I was treating it as a swing high. I told you that. What do I day? Is the bullish or bearish? The daily is technically bullish, but that doesn't mean that we're not going to come down. We're also very much so overextended. Like, stupidly overextended. Like, all these people are going to get absolutely destroyed overextended. This could go down to 33K. This could go down to 30K. This could go to 26K. I'm not saying that it is, but I'm treating it as a swing trade. And I just, right there, man. Right there. We took profit. And now we're up. And now we're chilling. And now we got nothing to worry about. And while everybody's busy longing, oh, Bitcoin breakout. Guys, it's been overextended. Anybody? Man, listen, the truth is, guys, I'm going to be honest with you. And I'm sorry if you don't like what I'm about to tell you. But the truth is anybody that has longed in the last... I'm going to be super honest. Like, this is going to sound so harsh. And I don't mean it this way, but I want it to click in your head, okay? Anybody that's longed, arguably, in the last 30 days, swing longs. I'm not talking about scalps, right? My Discord people, I love you guys. You know that. You guys are dumb. Anybody that's longed here, you're dumb. There has been no liquidity taken. Zero liquidity has been taken since September. You're gonna long on what is considered overextended, and you could say, Gio, I made so much money. You're dumb. Okay, because I was right. Yeah? All right, man. Making money is easy. When you lose it all, and you come and you decide to start learning only when you lose, right? Because they don't listen to me. You guys don't listen when you win. You only listen when you lose. So when you lose whatever you made on this way up, don't come crying to me and saying I didn't tell you, because I told you. Anybody that's swing longed or day trade longed and didn't close doesn't know. Man, retail doesn't know how to take profit. Anybody that's done that, you don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you're doing. Plain and simple, you do not know what you're doing. All right, let's check the emojis. I like that. The song. You guys want the song? Yeah, hold on. Let me catch up, man. Let me catch up. All right, I'm seeing the money bags. I like that. Yo, even my chat is lagging right now. I don't know. We get to a certain point when I'm like streaming for 2 hours where things start to lag. Okay. Hey, I deserve a secondary sub from the second account. You provided the money flow, and I stuck around from 377 till 38. Oh, cool, man. Nice. Shouts out to you, Nikhil. I'm glad you won. Bags. We got the bags, baby. Time flies when you're having fun. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Muhammad says, came into the stream late. Actually, only saw your videos a week ago, but thanks to you, you shorted 38 to 40. Let's go, baby. Make sure you take profits, bro. I did take profit already, but I'm treating it as a swing trade, man. And look, if we come up and we take the high again, which we could, not saying we won't, but we could, then you know, we cool. I'll look for the next swing short. No problem. No problem at all. But guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. We could come down. I said it. This could have been the yearly high. I said it. You heard it. I said it. All right. So you don't think? Let me see. So you don't think price hits the 0.5 fib from the all-time high to the FTX bottom? I don't know, man. I don't use the 0.5 fib. You think we should vibe check the longers from 15K? Look, I don't disagree with you, Philippe, but I'll tell you this. I don't think that's happening right now. This is what I drew. Let's do it in the browser so we can zoom in here. All right. This is what I drew. This is the daily time frame. I drew this yesterday in the Discord. Okay. What I believe is going to happen is we're going to make our way down to 30K-ish. This is not... Okay, this is... Understand that this is a shape. This is not exact prices, and this is not exact timing. But it's a good idea. Okay, this is what I think is going to happen. I think we're going to make our way down to 30K-ish. Then I think we're going to come up and we're going to take the highs again. Okay, because people are going to get bearish here. Then I think we're going to come up and we're going to take the highs again. At 40 or 42 or wherever. Wherever the high from this pump is, I think we're going to come up, take that high one more time. Right? Kind of something similar to this. Let's look at this. By the way, shouts out to myself for making this bomb-ass wallpaper that reminds me to stay disciplined. Top 1% or bust, baby. That's the game. Okay, check this out. Check this out. Let's hide the view up. Okay. Look at how, in the past, look at this. This is a perfect example. Look at how money was coming out, right, on the daily. And then we got this pump out of nowhere. Took all the highs, right? Swept liquidity. No one was expecting this based on money flow on the one day at least. And then, right, that's what I think is going to happen. And this, currently, not similar, like not exactly, but the money flow on the daily is as thick as it was here. So what I think is going to happen is we're going to look exactly right here. Look at this. I think we're going to make our way down. We're going to put in a cheat sheet entry, right? Look at the comparison. Make our way down, put in a cheat sheet entry. If you don't know what a cheat sheet entry is, go to the video. I'll show you the video. There's a video on my channel that I teach you guys what it is. I think we're going to come down on the daily and we're going to put in a cheat sheet entry around 30K. Okay? Let's look here. Come down, put in a cheat sheet entry. Then we're going to pump up. We're going to get another divergence. We're going to pump up, get another divergence. That's what this is. The pump up, get another divergence. And then I think we make our way down. Here we make our way down. But I don't think we come back up after we make our way down. I think we make our way down. One last time to fake out everybody. Then we come down. We put in, I mean, I don't trade head and shoulders, but we put in the head and shoulders, whatever. Then we come down to where the real bull market begins. After we get the next bull div on the daily time frame. And that is when roughly around, I don't know how low it'll go, but I'm looking at like 19K. I'm happy with 19K. If we come down to 19K, I'm very happy with that. Okay? Because why, right? And you guys know, I teach you why. Why do we trade this way? Why does the market move the way that it does? I don't just tell you whatever. Why? Because at 19K, there's liquidity here. Okay? There is liquidity here. There's also liquidity below 15. I'm not saying we can't come to 15, but there is liquidity below 19. And I'll tell you this easily, in my opinion, easily we're coming down to here. Easy. No doubt in my mind. No doubt in my mind. We're gonna see a 24K Bitcoin again. No doubt in my mind. If we're gonna come to this one, perhaps not. I would look somewhere around like this zone for the low. For the bull market to begin, somewhere like here. Potentially 18 to 21, but we could even come lower and we could take these lows as well. Right? This is long term, guys. This is long term. But you cannot be irresponsible. You have to say, we have red dots, we have divergences, we can come and recover these vector candles. Simple as that. That is my market cipher vector candle 101. You got a red dot, you find the vectors, you know? Red dot, find the vectors. All right, 4-hour flip was dirty. Let's see what happens here, man. Let's see. This is an important level. This is the old value area high. Let's mark this on the chart. If we lose this, guys, I'm sorry to tell you, but it's not looking too good for the longs. And let's be honest. Let's be very honest, guys. Like, market makers have handed out free money to retail, to the longs for so long now, right? When are we gonna get somewhat of a decent pullback? All right, I am so behind, it's not even funny. On the chat, I mean. CP is take profit, you have a swing short. Jay, it's safe to go live now. The short is printing after your 10th try on the 10th account to catch it. Oh, Jay, yeah. I thought you were saying me for a second. Somehow the alts are not reacting to the pullback. Usually if BTC goes down, then alts will go with him. Maybe. I'm not even paying attention to the alts right now. I gotta be completely honest with you. Won't double bottom already in a bull run. I respectfully disagree, but if you're right, I win. If you're wrong, I win. Doesn't matter to me. Hola, Isaac. What's up, brother? How are you? Can you look at Mina? It consolidated on the daily for a long time. With breakout, if BTC goes down, what's going to happen to these alts? Okay, I'm not going to look at specifically Mina because number one, I don't know what that is. And number two, we're watching Bitcoin because Bitcoin is king right now. But I will tell you exactly what's going to happen to all of the alts. Okay? This is what's going to happen. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is up. I made a video like a month ago. Okay? Let's come to a clean chart. I'm going to come to a clean chart. I made a video a month ago. This is not even a clean chart. Seriously? I was doing a one-on-one coaching. That's what this is. Okay, let's get rid of that. Okay. I made a video a month ago saying that we are in this range. Right? We're in this range. We're in this range. Let's put our background so we can see it clearly. Okay, we're in our range, right? Bitcoin dominance right now, relative to where it's been in the past, is high, okay? Relative to the past, like year and a half, 2 years, is very high, okay? So, if Bitcoin dominance is high, as long as Bitcoin continues to range and do nothing, alts will move. Or sorry. As Bitcoin dominance falls, if Bitcoin is doing nothing, if it's just ranging, then alts will move, okay? There's no disputing that it is alt season or a version of alt season, not the alt season. But what typically happens is after Bitcoin gets a massive move, as it has done, and it starts to range, as long as it continues in the range and doesn't dump too hard, alts will start to move. The profits from Bitcoin move into alts, and we've already seen that, okay? But we have quite a big move down that we can go to, we have quite a big move down that we can get 10%, 11%, while still maintaining this range. Remember, after Bitcoin gets its big move up, as long as it ranges and dominance starts to decrease, alts will move. The thing is that this range is so big and we haven't swept any liquidity for so long that if Bitcoin decides to dump 10%, which it very well may, right? Very well may. If Bitcoin decides to dump 10%, then your alts will follow, okay? Dominance is still high. But what might happen is we get our dump and we start to, we're playing the range, guys. We are just playing the range. Very simple. When we're at the high of the range, we look for shorts. When we're at the low of the range, we look for longs. Very, very simple. And so if Bitcoin gets a 10% move, you best believe the alts will follow. But as long as Bitcoin doesn't really break this level here, 33K, at least right away, then it will just continue to range. And then the more boring Bitcoin is and the more it ranges, if dominance starts to fall, then your alts will move. So in my opinion, is now the time to buy your alts? No. Is the time to buy alts when Bitcoin is down here? Yes. And we just play the range. Plain and simple. We know a massive... Guys, who... Like, you don't need to be a rocket scientist to say that this, like... I mean, guys, nothing... Aside from the higher high, whatever... Man, we haven't taken any liquidity. This is not bullish. This is not bullish. It is not. It's not bullish at all. It doesn't take a genius to see that this is not bullish. 18K, yeah. There's also liquidation at 500, 700, 1,000 from 2,000. Doesn't mean in 2017 we came back. Yeah, man, it doesn't mean we're going to come all the way for it, right? Doesn't mean we're going to come all the way for it. How to put vector candles on the chart? Okay, brother, this is what you do. Come over to your indicators. Type in Traders Reality. Traders Reality main. Okay? And then by default, your Traders Reality main is going to look so ugly. It's going to look like this. Okay, it's going to look like this. It's going to be very ugly. Let me come in so you can see it more clearly. This is what it's like. It's a nightmare. Like, this is a disaster to look at, okay? It's going to look horrendous. So what I recommend that you do is head over to my Discord if you have not already done so. Okay? Head over to the Discord and you'll get... So these are my Traders Reality settings. It's going to load here in just a second. Okay, these are mine. A lot cleaner, right? A lot cleaner. You can dabble with the labels as you like. And sure, whatever. But you come to my come to the Discord and come to the welcome tab and come to trading resources and go to the pinned messages and you can see my here, my TR main settings. Should be the very first message. Yeah, first settings. So you can copy all my settings here. And then you can see your vector candles. And I have videos on your vector candles. So, are not like on vector candles in general. I have videos on them. So, you know, make sure you check those videos out. Okay. Let's see. Pump the likes, guys. Yes, I agree. Good idea. Thank you, Isaac. Pump the likes, guys. What are we at? How many likes do we have right now? 117 guys. I want 3 more likes, please. I wanted 120 when we started. 3 more likes and I will be a happy camper. If you haven't already hit the like button, please and thank you. Well, Bitcoin doesn't care either. It's following its cycle again like it does every time. I'm expecting a big move down on Monday as full moon is coming. Man, I don't know. People like have talked about that, but I don't really have a comment on that, if I'm being honest with you. I don't really know. I don't really know. Is it time to scalp long and keep the swing short? Maybe, bro. The best thing to do is to hedge. Right? Hedge against yourself. Why not? I don't see why not. I do not see why not. We have vectors here. Let's see. Yeah, we don't have vectors on the way down, though. That's the problem. That is the problem. I mean, we got these vectors. We, like, guys, this is what I'm talking about. Look at this, okay? So here we swept liquidity, right? Like, how much did we sweep it by? We swept liquidity by $32. Okay? When people long, they don't only put their stop loss. It's not like they glue it. It's not like this line is their stop loss. Man, people put their stop loss, they give it a little bit of space. Do you consider this a liquidity grab? No. This is what I'm telling you guys. They haven't grabbed liquidity in so long. It's like so mind-blowing to me. Look, where's the liquidity grabs? Where? This is the 5-minute, bro. They don't take any liquidity ever. Where is it? This is, man, the price action on Bitcoin has been so weird. This is like very strange price action. Very strange price action. Anyway. Got rinsed last week. I'm sorry to hear that, bro. In order for it to go that low, you're assuming you think equities have peaked and are about to crash. I don't really know, to be honest. I'm just trading Bitcoin. Thanks a lot, bro. You appreciate it. Thank you for kicking it with us, man. I appreciate you. One more like, guys. Can we get one more like? I'm at 119. One more like. And I will be a happy camper. I will be a very happy camper. All right, guys. Last time I'm going to say the VIP code. So if you guys don't know, if you're just tuning in right now, if you're new here, welcome. I give my levels. I give my what I want market Cipher B to look like. You know, yesterday, for example, I said this would be a gift. And the gift was granted, right? Exactly, literally to the penny. So, you know, I give you guys the updates in real time. I give you guys the market Cipher B, you know, like this. Boom, boom. Bang, bang. Right? I give it to you guys all for free. So the way that you join is you join by DMing my bot, the 4-digit code that you hear in all of my YouTube videos or streams. And what happens is after I post a video or post a new stream, I purge you guys. So I delete everybody from VIP, and then you have to resend my bot the new code. And this is so that you learn and you pay attention, but it's also to manipulate my watch time a little bit because I'm giving everything for free. And so for this stream, the verification code is 0498. Okay, 0498. Head on over to the GeoBot up here. Type 0498, and you will be granted access into my VIP. All right, guys, we have been streaming for 2.5 hours, man. That's crazy. Your boy's got to go to the gym, baby. Your boy's got to go to the gym. But I'll tell you this. I'll stick around a little bit. It's been an absolute pleasure. Let's see who's new, man. Welcome to all the new people. Harrison, please do not post the code in this chat. DM my bot on the top right. DM my bot on the top right. Welcome to all these new beautiful people. I used to say hi to everybody, but I can't because when I press it, oh, it's not scrolling up. On my phone, it scrolls up. Look at that. Hi, hi, hi. Welcome, guys. Welcome. I'm sorry if I missed one of you. All right, welcome, everybody. Okay. Sorry about this new question. What does sweeping liquidity actually mean, and why do people do it? Okay. I'll answer this question, and then I will go. G Money says terrible. Price action terrible. Yeah, it's been horrible, bro. It's been horrible. Okay. Els, let me explain. Let me explain liquidity for you. When people long, every single trade has an exit level by default. On leverage, right? We're talking about futures. Either you get liquidated, which means you run out of margin. You're either over leveraged or whatever, or price went to your liquidation. So you get forcefully closed, or price hits your stop loss, right? If you are long from, let's say you longed from here, okay? Where is the logical place for you to put your stop loss? Under this low, right? That is a logical place for you to put your stop loss. In other words, think about this. If you open up a position like this, you longed from here, and you put your stop loss here, and your target is wherever it is, right? If your stop loss is down here, that is liquidity, right? That is liquidity that, and what all it means is liquidity. Remember, if you are a market maker, all the market makers are doing are attacking your money, right? Like the whole game is designed for you to lose. It's designed for retail to lose. It's like a casino. It's not very different than a casino. You're the player, and you're versing the dealer. The dealer is the market makers that have infinite money and can send price wherever they want. Okay? So, by that logic, if you, like, this is where they win. They win where your stop loss is. So they come and they sweep that liquidity, because at this point is where you are either forced, because that's where your liquidation is, or where your stop loss is. So they force you to close the position at a loss. And when you lose, they win. And when you win, they lose, right? The thing is when price is up here, human psychology, greed is a thing. And humans, retail, do not close their positions. They don't take their money. So they leave it open, and then what happens is when it comes down and it hits their stop loss, they end up taking a loss. So a lot of people have their stop losses here. Now this is a 5-minute time frame. If we come to the 6-hour time frame, anybody that's longing right now, let's use a 4-hour. Anybody that's longing right now on the 4-hour, people have their stop loss under here. 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 Right? People have their stop loss under here, 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 here. And if you look at this pattern, what normally happens, remember, if you're a market maker, your job is to attack people's liquidity, their money. The money resides under these wicks. And what normally happens, let's find a normal scenario. What normally happens, this is a 4-hour time frame, right? Look at this range, right? We have a range. We have a range, right? We have a lot of liquidity under these lows, right? We have liquidity here. We got across this whole board. Across this whole board, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, right? What do? They attack the liquidations. They make you close your positions, and then they run it up. And they do that in both directions, right? They attack your liquidity and then they run it down every time. This range does not look anything like the last range because they haven't swept any liquidity. They have literally been handing out free money to all of retail that don't know what they're doing, that are longing, right? And I'm not talking about scalps, guys. Like, I'm talking about long-term day trading or whatever. So you can draw what retail would draw as a trend line. I do not draw trend lines. I'm aware that there's money under all of these lows because they haven't swept any money. The only liquidity on the 4-hour time frame that has been swept in the last 2 months, the only liquidity was this wick, right? This wick here, which was very brief. Remember, we're on the 4-hour time frame and there's all this liquidation down here. And so they only took it by $200 and they have all this. Yeah, okay. They took some liquidity and then they moved it up, but there's still a lot of liquidity beneath us, you know? Still a lot of liquidity beneath us. Anyways, that is basically liquidity. That is liquidity. All right. Thank you for the stream. You're welcome, bro. Do I have a trick for people that don't have the 5-second time frame? I will tell you this, man. I only started using the 5-second time frame this week, and I'm really liking it. The only other trick that I can recommend to you is on the 1-minute time frame. You have to look for golden nuggets. Okay, I'm gonna make a video in the next couple days on the golden nugget, but for brief context, the golden nugget is a market cipher signal that I created. I didn't name it. Someone in the Discord named it, but I called it. I guess now it's called the golden nugget. Stick around, hit the sub button. Hit the notification bell. I'll make a video in the next couple days in regards to this golden nugget. And that would be my alternative. But man, you know what? To be honest, TradingView has a wicked deal right now. So I would suggest just doing that. But if you can't afford it, I understand. Bro, are we shorting or longing Bitcoin? We're not doing either right now. We're not doing either one right now. I'm already short. And I'm actually already long. You're welcome, Els. Glad to have you here. All right, guys. 2.5 hours, man. 2.5 hours it has been. So I think this is where we part ways. It's time for Gio to hit the gym. Look at my cigar cutter. Irrelevant to you. You only know about McDonald's McNuggets. Hey, man, look. I'm telling you, man, this was a thing, bro. The golden nuggets. And I don't know who named it that, but it's definitely a thing. And we kind of ran with it. So stick around, man. You'll learn a couple things. The thing with trading, man, it's kind of like the thing with anything else, bro. You stick around people that talk about it enough, you'll learn a thing or two. And I teach you why the market moves the way that it does, not just there's a red dot short. And this will help you a lot more in the long term. You're not able to find the Geo bot on the top right here, bro. Right under bot. How many calories did I burn? Let's see. So it stopped 62 minutes ago. Yeah, I'm using the 5-second because of Jason. It stopped 62 minutes ago. And currently I'm at 272 right now. 272 right now. But yeah, Lucky Gupta up here on the top right. Click on the GeoBot and send him the code. Just the code alone. Where's my next TP? Honestly, Cryptonaut, I'm going to be super honest with you. I'm going to pay attention to the price action. But I'm targeting really low, man. This could be a swing low. And I said it. When we were up here, I was like, yo, this could be a swing low. Or swing short, I mean. Do I think we will reject off the 3-minute green vector on the right and continue lower? Here, guys. This is what I would be looking at right now. Okay? If I was looking at short... I'm going to be honest. Look, we're going to be objective both ways. We do have liquidity above us. We got this liquidity curve right here. All right, we got that liquidity curve. There's money up here. And we did technically SFP this low. Although I don't want it to be this way, we could come back up and take another high, right? We could come and take the high again. But if with that in mind, I would honestly just look for a golden pocket. Like I wouldn't do anything else. Like we're in kind of weird price territory right now. But if you're looking for a short, I would say look between here. 38.1 to 38.3, give or take. But remember, there is liquidity up here that they can come and grab. So, and market structure, unfortunate as it is favoring the longs still. But it's only favoring the longs until it's not. So we'll see how it goes. Money's coming out, right? So we'll see. We'll see. You want to add to the short? Let's see, man. Maybe I'll add to mine too. I will judge based on how we get. I wouldn't be surprised if we come up to 38.1 though. All right, guys, listen. This has been a hell of a stream. It's been 2 hours and almost 40 minutes. So I'm going to leave you guys here. Thank you guys for kicking it with me. We took the trade together live on stream, which I'm surprised. Usually I time it horribly. And as soon as I get off stream, that's when the move actually happens. So I'm happy you guys are here. If you haven't already, hit the like button for me, please. I bring you guys the sauce every single day and multiple times in the day on the Discord. So make sure you join. Make sure you hit the sub button, hit the notification bell. Make sure you sign up to my Mexi affiliate link. It helps support me for free. And to be honest, the money's better in my pocket than in their pocket. So if you want to kick it and make money with me, make sure you join. Sign up with my affiliate link. Please and thank you, guys. Please and thank you. All right, guys. I'm going to leave y'all. Much love. Happy trading. I'll see you guys in the Discord. Have a great weekend. I appreciate each and every one of you. And remember, it is not very long ago where I was on that side of the screen. And if I can do it, you can do it. Watch till the end, guys. The outro is fire. Peace out. Have a good weekend. See y'all later.
Set my heart on fire.